We are looking at how to pronounce this sound from the International Phonetic Alphabet. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more interesting sounds from the IPA as well, so make sure to stay tuned until the end and consider subscribing. So how do you go about pronouncing this? This is the sound of j, j. Fairly common in English. Some examples of words using this sound in English include Asia, Asia, or pleasure, pleasure, or television, television, jeune, je, ja. The sound je. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more sounds from the IPA, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.